the rights of Muslim women to property and inheritance, to some protection if divorced, and to the conducting of business were rights prescribed by the Quran 1400 years ago, even if they were not everywhere translated into practice. In Britain, at least, some of these rights were novel even to my grandmother's generation. Cordoba, in the 10th century, was by far the most civilized city of Europe. We know of lending libraries in Spain at the time King Alfred was making terrible blunders with the culinary arts in this country. It is said that the 400,000 volumes in its ruler's library amounted to more books than all the libraries of the rest of Europe put together. That was made possible because the Muslim world acquired from China the skill of making paper more than 400 years before the rest of non-Muslim Europe. Many of the traits on which modern Europe prides itself came to it from Muslim Spain. Diplomacy, free trade, open borders, the techniques of academic research, of anthropology, etiquette, fashion, various types of medicine, hospitals, all came from this great city of cities.